In this next topic, we talk about Teslas a lot and we talk about Tesla deals a lot. But at the same time, every single month, there's always a new month and there's always better deals. So we'll take a look at the other markets out there, the other electric vehicles that could be out there, and run through some of the best deals from other electric vehicles because we got to keep our eyes open, right? I mean, we are certainly a Tesla fan channel, but at the end of the day, we got to do what's best for our wallet and see what other better deals are out there. So if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. And so let us take a look at this. Shout out to US News for posting this, quote, the best EV deals of July 2023. So you can see right off the bat, that is not a Tesla. That seems to be a Nissan Ariya, which I've seen that vehicle in person. It's basically a Model Y competitor, but you have got some other benefits like maybe even free charging. But this first one, Nissan Leaf 2023, it looks okay. I mean, I don't know if I would drive it, but I mean, for $309 a month at a lease of 36 months with $2,600 due at signing, maybe not such a bad deal at the end of the day, but we'll speedball through some of this. This one's another one, 2023 Subaru Solterra, which is the sister vehicle to the Toyota BZ4X, which we'll talk about in just a little bit. But this one has 1.9% financing. I'm okay on that one too. I mean, basically, I think I'd rather just do the Toyota one. This next one, 2023 Kia EV6. I've actually not driven this car. I've seen them, of course, all over California, but $429 per month for a 24-month or 36 month with $5,000 due at signing. I don't know about the $5,000 due at signing, but 429 I do like. The one thing with this Kia EV6, I think I'd rather get the Ioniq 6 because the Ioniq 6 comes with 3 years of free charging, but the Kia one does unfortunately not. Okay, next one, Chevy Bolt, $299 a month with 36 month with, what does that say? $6,700 at due at signing. I'm not sure if I like this one at all. I mean, I do like $299 a month, but I do know that this vehicle also comes with, I think, $1,000 of credit to install a charger at your house, which I kind of dig that, but I don't know about these $6,700 due at signing. This one, Kia Niro EV. Actually, I've seen these vehicles around, and they are starting to grow on me, but I think it's too small at the end of the day. Unless you're comparing it to like a Model 3, then maybe potentially. Here's another one, Nissan Leaf 2.99. We've already saw that. Here's one again, Hyundai Ioniq 5, 0.9 or 0.99% financing for 48 months. Actually, that is not too bad, but unfortunately, when you finance it, you do not get the $7,500 federal tax credit. You got to get a lease on that one instead. Another Bolt EV, we can skip that. Nissan Ariya, I can dig that, 2.99% for 36 months, maybe a short term, but that's an expensive vehicle actually, like 45 to 50K. That's a big, hefty payment. I think I passed on that one. Next one, Kia Sorento plug-in, and then that's basically it. But there's one vehicle on this list that they've got the sister vehicle, which I just saw that is a even impeccable deal at the end of the day. And that vehicle, which some of you might not actually like, and I don't know if what your thoughts on it, but that vehicle is the Toyota 2023 BZ4X XLE EV. Shout out to ChargeGo Group on Twitter for posting this. Prices are falling, y'all. You can see this is an ad of some sort, probably some sort of broker or whatever, but a 36-month lease, 10,000 miles annually at $456 a month plus tax. And they always say plus tax because in California it's a use tax lease. So I'm pretty sure this is California because 818 area code, that seems to be a California area. And tax is based upon the county that you register it in. So that could be anywhere from 6 to 9% on top of the monthly payment. So if we play some hypotheticals there, let's see 1.0, let's say 0.9, 1.09, that's a $497 a month payment. And the kicker with this is this bolded lettered line right under it, which says including all fees and registration. So, I mean, I don't know what your fan is or what your thoughts are on the BZ4X. I kind of like the front of it, the back of it, I'm okay. But at the end of the day, a leased vehicle, a leased electric vehicle, if you got a home charger set up, you're going to save, if you're someone that drives a ton of miles, like $200 to $300 a month in gas, and your lease payment is $497 a month. And this vehicle does, I'm pretty sure it does come with 1 year of charging. So you can see where some of this math starts to play out, and it could actually make some sense and save you some money as long as you don't do too much driving a month, because I think this vehicle has like a 220 to 240 mile range. And so you could run into some issues there. Maybe if this was like a 24-month lease and you needed a second car for whatever reason, and if it was $300 a month, then I could be much more inclined to do it. But the one things that I like about this deal is because it includes all fees and registrations, and tax on top of it could be anywhere from 6 to 9% of the monthly payment on top of that. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. Let me know what your thoughts are. Seems like there's a lot of competition coming into the ecosphere for the EV war, as we like to call it, and that a lot of deals are coming on very, very soon. And we talked about that because the day supply for EVs is hit at least what we looked up 90 days. And so the competition is getting fierce with a ton of vehicles. But at the end of the day, Tesla vehicles, I talked to someone who scheduled a call with me the other day, and they didn't realize that Tesla vehicles, if you finance them, if finance the full term, they can be up there. Like, don't get fooled by this $699 a month payment onto the website here at 72 months. This does not include any sort of registration fees and sales tax, which could easily be another $4,000 to $5,000 on top of that. And this deal right here comes with a $4,500 down payment, so easily $5,000 to $10,000 to get this $699 payment on a base or a long range Model 3. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. If you're looking for some help on how to get a best deal on a Tesla or to get the best possible payment, that's where you can check out my Patreon link down below in the description. If you check out the Patreon link, after you join the Patreon link, you can send me a DM or ask me any questions about buying a Tesla, and actually you get access to my Tesla buying guide, which has all the best interest rates for financing your Tesla, and even schedule a call with me to ask me any questions about buying a Tesla. So definitely check it out. Patreon link down below in the description.